Hi everyone. Well, we created this beautiful kind of vintage bridal feel. I used a Patrick Cameron crown lift. Now I'm going to use this, place it on the hair, and then I brush the hair up and over to create a beautiful sort of 1940s roll. Then the rest of the hairstyle is all about foundation. Once we've got that beautiful roll, as you can see there, it's all about pinning and putting the pins in and then starting to work. For the full tutorial on this hairstyle, become a member today of Access Long Hair, where you can see the full tutorial on how I base this hairstyle, why the hair grips stay in, and why I put the hair exactly where I put it. There's always a reason, and the big thing for me is always about foundation. So join me and become a member today, or indeed make sure you check out my show every Monday night on Facebook and on Instagram at 8 o'clock UK time.